Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the herringbone half double stitch. There are a number of different herringbone stitches, all have their unique texture and look to it. So I've added the half double behind this one in order to distinguish it from other herringbone stitches that are out there. So this herringbone half double is fairly easy, straightforward to work. It creates this beautiful solid fabric that is the same on both sides. You're going to absolutely love it. Now for the tutorial today, I'm going to be using a little bit of a worsted or medium weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. There's a link down in the description of this video to the yarn if you are interested. Also down in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. You can check that out and follow along with the written instructions if you wish. Also down in the description, if you enjoy learning new crochet stitches, I do have a crochet stitch book out in paperback and ebook formats. It's 102 crochet stitches that celebrate texture and color. You can give that a browse as well. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe because this channel is updated every single week with new crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows, so you're going to start by making a slip knot. And then one of the wonderful things about this stitch is that you can use any multiple of stitches for your foundation chain. So today I'm just going to go ahead and chain 20. Once you have that foundation chain worked, we're going to start row 1 off right away, working our herringbone half double crochet stitches. You're going to begin in the second chain from your hook. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that second chain, yarn over, draw up a loop, and draw that same loop through the first loop on your hook. You're then going to yarn over and draw through 2 loops. We're going to repeat this process all the way across. Yarn over, into your next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and draw that loop through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. This is your herringbone half double crochet stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across. I love this stitch because even though it creates a solid fabric, it's not as stiff as if you were to work, say, a straight up single crochet stitch. So if you're looking for a stitch that's about the height, it's a slightly taller, closer to a half double crochet, a single crochet stitch, or one that is the height of a half double, then this is definitely a good choice in crochet stitch for that project. Just has a beautiful drape to it when it's worked in a large piece of fabric. So you're going to continue working all the way across. As you go, you'll get into a fairly good rhythm. You'll note I am working into the back bumps of my stitches. That is just personal preference. You can work into any of the loops on your chain. So here I am in my final stitch. You may notice that your first row of stitches has a bit of a slant. You can just pull it. You're then going to chain 1, turn your work, and repeat. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so you're working your first herringbone half double just at the base of your turning chain. And you're going to repeat this all the way across. And that's all there is really to working the herringbone half double crochet stitch. It's so simple, yet it's so beautiful and adds this different look and texture to your crochet project. So thank you so much for joining me. If you happen to make something with the herringbone half double crochet stitch, be sure to tag Rich Textures Crochet on social media. I love to come by and admire your work. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.